Welcome to Traveling Rocks, one more important video related on Budapest Public Transportation, and that one is very easily purchased single ticket and daily pass. I will provide you two different kind of method. First one is a application, mobile application. You can download the application, sign in and then purchase single journey ticket or 24-hour journey ticket, and then after we will see same process as a ticket machine. So let's check it out. So first of all, you need to download the application of BudapestGO, available Android and iOS. So I download this application and sign in here using my login ID. So look at this here, and after that I'm purchasing the ticket here. It's very simple, usable. Just simply press here purchase, and here 24 hours Budapest pass is 2500 Hungarian pound. Single ticket journey is a 350. So you can, if you are travel here, so you can purchase 24-hour pass, and the purchase here monthly, single ticket and daily transport card. So some of the informations are available here, 72 hours and 24 hours. You can purchase very easily. The pass related informations are available here. Single ticket, if you want pay, just simply press here, and here name and the payment detail you need to add debit card number, and if I click here payment, the ticket is purchased. But after purchase the ticket, you need to scan. After purchase the mobile ticket, always you need to scan this ticket like this. The barcode is available. You just simply open the application and scan the ticket and valid before entering any public transportation. Such kind of barcode is available tram and inside the buses also, but not available in metro. So be carefully. But if you purchase this ticket in 24 hours, so no need to scan any kind of barcode. You just purchase this ticket from the application, and now we'll see how to purchase the same ticket in the ticket machine. And the ticket machine available on each and every tram metro station. It's very simple. Look at this. This is a ticket machine. You just simply press here. 3 languages are available, but I go with simply in English language here. And here some of the ticket related informations are available here. 24 hours. So I go with 24 hours. From now, tomorrow, or specific date. So I just simply select from now, 10:37 a.m. confirm, and after that 2500 payment. And payment e-invoice is use your debit card, credit card and purchase the ticket. Before traveling, you need to valid this ticket like this. Before start your journey, you need to valid your ticket. The machine is available metro, bus and trams also, and the machines are generating the specific date and time, and then after you travel. Otherwise you can pay some fine if you are not valid this ticket. And enjoy Budapest public transportation. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.